Today, we're diving into some exciting news from Samsung and Google about the latest optimizations for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. Earlier today, Samsung unveiled 7 new products featuring Galaxy AI. Among these are the much-anticipated Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6, both running on One UI 6.11 and packed with Galaxy AI improvements. But that's not all. Google has also announced some impressive optimizations for its apps to work seamlessly on Samsung's new foldables. Circle to Search, Gemini, and YouTube TV are 3 of Google's apps that have been specifically optimized to enhance the user experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's take a closer look at what these apps can do. Circle to Search is a powerful tool designed to help you solve symbolic math and physics problems directly on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 screens. Whether you're tackling a tricky equation or trying to decode a physics problem, Circle to Search has got you covered. But that's not all. This feature also allows you to scan barcodes and QR codes effortlessly. Imagine you're in a store and need to quickly check a product's details. Just scan the barcode or QR code with Circle to Search, and you'll get the information you need in no time. It's a fantastic feature that adds a lot of convenience to your daily life. When it comes to multitasking, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 truly shines. One of the standout features is the optimized Gemini app. When you're watching a video on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 expansive screen, you can summon Gemini to provide an overlay window that can be shifted to one side for a split-screen experience. This is perfect for those moments when you're curious about something related to the video you're watching on YouTube. You can ask Gemini questions, and the answers will appear in the split-screen window, allowing you to continue enjoying your video without interruption. It's a game-changer for multitasking and making the most of that large-screen real estate. Sports enthusiasts, rejoice! Google has revealed an exciting feature for YouTube TV subscribers using the Galaxy Z Fold 6. You can now watch up to 4 videos simultaneously on the device's big screen. This multi-view feature arranges the videos in a 2x2 matrix, but it's important to note that this is currently available only for live sports. Imagine being able to catch multiple games or matches at the same time. It's like having your own personal sports bar right in your hands. While Google specifically mentioned the Galaxy Z Fold 6, there's a good chance that other Galaxy Z Fold phones and tablets might also get this feature soon. Keep an eye out for updates. In addition to the foldable devices, Google also highlighted some exciting news about Samsung's wearables. The Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch Ultra are now the world's first smartwatches to run Wear OS 5. This update brings a host of improvements, including enhanced power efficiency for longer battery life, a new watch face format, and improved media output options. These watches run One UI 6 watch on top of Wear OS 5, which means you get the best of both worlds. The new software includes Galaxy AI-powered personalized health tips, more accurate sleep tracking, energy score, and workout routines. Whether you're looking to improve your fitness, get better sleep, or just make the most of your smartwatch, these updates are sure to impress. That's it for today. We've covered the latest optimizations from Google for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, including Circle to Search, Gemini, and YouTube TV. Plus, we took a look at the exciting updates for the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch Ultra with Wear OS 5. What are your thoughts on these new features and improvements? Let me know in the comments section below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.